The HADZABE tribe, also known as the Hadza, is an indigenous ethnic group living in Tanzania, primarily around Lake Eyasi in the Central Rift Valley. The HADZABE are one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer communities in the world and are renowned. However, fewer than half of them still live a traditional hunter-gatherer lifestyle. Language. They speak the HADZABE language, which is unrelated to any other language family and includes distinctive clicking sounds. If it is a natural food for the people who feed us in the wild, it is not harmful for them. Now if you go to the slaughterhouse, you will not find the guts of the book. Ask yourself what people use them for. Unique cultural practices. Bow and arrow craftsmanship. The HADZABE are skilled in making hunting tools, particularly bows from hardwood and arrows tipped with bone or metal. Honey collection. Honey is a staple in their diet.